Hi guys, welcome back to Kim's class. Today is the second lesson in a series talking about health. Today's lesson is a grammar lesson. Well, let's look at the objective. The objective for today says, I can use the simple present of have to describe health problems. Let's go ahead and look at the grammar focus today. On your screen, you see the grammar chart for the simple present of have. These are very simple statements to describe what you have. What's important to note is that you use the verb have for I and you, but you use the word has for he and she. I have, you have, he has, she has. Then we can use any of the vocabulary words that we learned in the first lesson to make a statement. For example, I have a cold. You have a cold. He has a cold. She has a cold. You could change the word a cold to a cough. I have a cough. Or broken leg. You have a broken leg. Or fever. He has a fever. If some of those words, like fever or broken leg, cold, or cough, you're not sure about, go back to the previous lesson where I give you examples of all the vocabulary words we're going to be using to talk about health. Now I'd like you to practice what you've learned from the vocabulary in the first lesson and the grammar we're learning right now to make sentences. On your screen in a minute, you're going to see some sentences. You're going to choose either have or has to make a complete sentence. Remember, the word have goes with I and you, and the word has goes with he or she. Let's go ahead and look at the activity on the screen. On the screen, you see 10 sentences. You need to choose either the word has or have to complete the sentence. Go ahead and pause the video, write down these sentences and your answer. When you finish writing the answer to all 10 sentences, go ahead and hit play and you can hear the correct answers. Go ahead and pause your video now. All right, let's look at the correct answers. Number 1, he has a terrible cold. Number 2, I have a fever. Number 3, you have a headache. Number 4, she has a backache. Number 5, he has a broken arm. Number 6, she has a cut. Number 7, she has a bad cough. Number 8, You have an earache. Number 9, I have a stomachache. Number 10, he has a sore throat. I hope that practice made it a little easier to understand when to use have and when to use has. Let's look at our objective and see if we've learned what I hope you would have learned. Can you use the simple present of have and has to describe health problems? We had 10 examples on that. So that concludes today's lesson. But before you go, I'd like you to do 4 things for me. Is that all right? The first thing I'd like you to do is press the like button on this video. The second thing I would like you to do is share it. If you have friends or family that would like these videos, you can share it with them. The next thing I'd like you to do is to write a comment in the comment section below. And one more thing. If you are enjoying these videos, please hit subscribe. Then every time I post a new video, you will know. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me in Kim's class. And thank you for letting me come on this journey with you to learn English. Goodbye for now. I'll see you soon.